Shake it out, relax. Woo. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale up. Exhale out. Inhale up. Exhale out. Inhale up. Exhale out. Good. Inhale up. Reach up, side to side. Good. Reaching through your shoulders, leaning over at your waist, sit up straight. Your back is away from your backrest. Good. And lift, and lift, and lift, and lift. Reach up. Inhale. Exhale, open. Open. Squeeze your shoulder blades together. Roll forward. Open your shoulder blades. Good. Open out. Inhale. Exhale and roll forward. Inhale, open. Exhale, roll forward. Inhale, open. Exhale, roll forward. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, I lied. One more time. Inhale and exhale. Good. Shake that out. I already felt that in my shoulders a little bit. Maybe you did too. Let's just do a little roll. Side and side and side and side. Good. Looking good out there. And roll and roll and roll and roll. Good. Make that bigger. Reach up and around. Good. Circles, big circles. Whatever range of motion you got, make it nice and big. Give me 4 more. 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. Both arms and open. Both arms up and open. Both arms up and open. Inhale on the up, exhale on the open. Breathe in, breathe out. Now you're going to start getting that bigger, lean into it. Go ahead and put some weight on your feet. Just lean and back. And lean. You're actually working your low back now. So if you have low back issues, just don't lean so far. Good. Let's do 4 more of these. Inhale, exhale, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Shake that out. Good. Go ahead and push your hands down, shoulders down, away from your ears, and look down. Just stretch that out. Good. Okay, we're going to move this to the legs. So sit up straight. You can have your back away from your backrest. You can sit forward in that chair, or you can go ahead and lean all the way back. I love this chair because I can hold on underneath and it's nice and sturdy. If you're in an easy chair, that's okay too. Just make it work. So take that one leg out. You should tighten your quad as tight as you can, and turn your toes outward a little bit, rotating out from your hip. Good. Do that with the other leg. Tight quad, tighten this muscle, ball it up as tight as you can, and turn those toes out from your hip. You should feel that engage a little bit differently when you turn it out. Here's this, then here's that. Good. Okay, right leg. Up, turn it out, squeeze, 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 and down. Left leg, up, turn it out, squeeze, 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 and down. A little faster. Come up, and down, and up, and down. Again, you can sit up tall. Beautiful. You want to keep your core nice and tight. So press the belly button towards your spine. Good. Exhale on the up. Inhale as you lower. Inhale. Oh, what did I say? Exhale on the up. There it is. It's okay to lean back. You might also want to put your hands underneath your thighs and kind of help lift that top of your leg up. Good. Bring it up. Good. Press. Good. Press. Good. Press. Okay, we'll come back to that later. We're going to work on standing. For that, I just want you to reach up and down. Reach up and down. Good. Exhale and inhale. Good. While you do this, try to keep your back as straight and tall as you can. Shoulders back. Good. Good. Let's go 4 more. Just like you're pressing that ceiling up. Raising the roof. Good, good, good. Beautiful. All right, now we're just gonna stand up. Stand up, 2, 3, 4, sit back, 2, 3, and 4. Up, good, and back. Beautiful. Sit up, and back. Very nice. Up, and back. So as you stand up, stand, squeeze that tush, and sit back down nice and slow. Don't just pull off yourself down in that chair. Ease yourself back like you don't quite trust that chair. Up, and down, and down, and up. Now if you can, you can take this a little faster. If that tempo is fine for you, just keep it right there. Now you don't have to sit all the way back now. If you want to just kind of squat back and tap that chair, that's okay. Or you can go ahead and sit back. Good. Woo! Feel that intensity coming up? Good. And 4 more. Go 4. Or 2 more if you're going slower. That's okay. Last one. Good. Oh, felt that. Okay, we're going back to a little bit of arm work. So let's give those legs a break. Take the arm open, roll it over, then open out. Good. Roll over and open. Roll over and open. So your whole shoulder is rolling. Woo. Keeping that core nice and tight. Reach. Inhale. Exhale. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Other side. Go slow. Roll it over. Then open. Roll it over. And open. Okay, a little faster. Here we go. Roll and open. And roll and open. And roll and open. And roll and open. Good. 4 more. Oh, I think we did a little more on the other side. I don't know. I should count maybe. Let's do a couple more. 2 more. How about 2 more? 1 more. Good. Okay. Now back to that first side. You're going to roll over this time. Come all the way over your head. And open out. Roll, open, out. Roll all the way over. Now go ahead and bring that trunk into it so you're actually rotating in that chair. Stay strong through your feet. Sitting up tall. Other side. Come slow. Open. Good. Roll. Come around your head and open. A little faster. Good. Just rotate that trunk, your upper body, as far as you feel comfortable with it. If you feel any strain at all in your back from leaning, don't go so far. Keep it nice and tight. Good. Good. All right. Okay, shoulders back. Open through that chest. Roll forward, stretch forward. And shoulders down away from your ears. Look down. And open again. Good. Back to our legs. Sitting up tall, up and down. Up and down. You remember what you're doing. You're tightening that leg as tight as you can. Exhale on the up. Good. Good. Okay, now I'm going to take that to the next level. You're going to go ahead and hold on to the sides of that chair. Try to bring both legs up. Turn your toes out. Squeeze your knees together. And then come back down. If that's too much, keep it 1 leg at a time. So you're up and down. Up and down. Core is working. Your abs are working. This is abs and thighs. Good. Exhale up. Good. Good. 4 more. Remember, you can do 1 leg at a time. 4, 3, or both legs. 2, and 1. Now, I had something to hold on to there. If you didn't have anything to hold on to, 1 leg at a time might be just perfect. All right. Now, remember when we did these reach ups? This time we're going to stand up again. Stand up, and reach up this time. Instead of keeping your hands at your side, we're gonna reach up and back. Here we go. Come. And down, 2, 3, 4. Up, 2, 3, 4. Down, 2, 3, 4. Up. Make sure your chair is nice and solid. Don't miss your chair when you sit back. Good. Up and back. One more time. Up, 2, 3, 4. Back to lift. Oh, up, down, and lift. Bring it up, and up, down, and lift. So again, you can do this with one leg, going a little faster, bringing up that intensity, and lift, down, other leg. When you lift your leg, try to squeeze that quad nice and tight. Get your leg all the way straight. Turn those toes out slightly. Woo! I'm feeling it. My heart rate's definitely coming up. Down and lift. Stand up. Down. Lift. Stand up. Down and lift. Good. Woo! How'd that feel? Very nice. Inhale up. Exhale. Just round down. Come up by rolling that low back up into the chair first, okay? Inhale up. Exhale, come down, roll, 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 stretch. And come up, low back into the chair first. Then roll those shoulders up, back, and down. Good, come up. Inhale. Exhale, all the way forward. Roll up, 2, 3, shoulders. Let's do it one more time. Inhale, exhale, roll, shoulders. Good, now just the shoulders. Come up, back, and down. Come up, back, and down. Good. Up, inhale, exhale. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Inhale up, and over, down, and down. Inhale up, and over, and down, and down. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Good. Okay, both arms are almost done. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out, 2, 3, 4. Breathe in. Shoulders back, open, open. Breathe out. Shoulders back, 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 back. Shake it out, shake it out, shake it out. Hey, nice work. We made it through Cheerio workout 1. Next time we do Cheerio, we'll be standing a lot and doing some leg lifts by holding on to our chair. So make sure you tune in to Cheerio number 2. Good job, you guys. Have a great day.